Today we're back with 5 more Amazon FBA deals you could actually be selling, and as always we have saved the best one until the end, so make sure to stick around until then. So if you're wondering who we actually are, we're Profitl. We're an Amazon FBA software all about helping new sellers become successful with their Amazon FBA journey. And this series I'm running today is showing you 5 Amazon FBA deals which you could actually be selling. This is a series which we run every single month, and the idea is just to give you inspiration on the types of deals you can be selling, what websites you can be sourcing from. Now, quick disclaimer, we probably don't recommend to actually buy the deals I'm showing you today, just because they're getting seen by a lot of people, not only on our YouTube channel, but these also get sent into our Deal of the Day feature in our Discord. And we have over 5,000 members in our Discord, so they can become saturated, which is why we tell people to use them as inspiration and not really buy them. Now, alongside that disclaimer, don't forget a lot of the products I'm showing you today you're going to be gated in, so this means you need permission from Amazon to sell them. Now, getting ungated isn't too difficult, and we've done loads of videos about it, and we'll link one just up here, so don't let that put you off. Being gated in products is just part of Amazon, but it really isn't too difficult. But that's enough talking from me. Let's get into the products and show you some actual live deals you could be selling today. So the first product I'm going to be showing you today is from the website Just My Look, which is of course a beauty website. And this product is this Fanola yellow mask for blonde, super light and bleach or grey hair, which is in the sale. It's now £6.11. It is actually now sold out since we sent this in. We could buy these, but it was £6.11. And it sells on Amazon for £14.14. So of course, when looking at an Amazon FBA deal, that's the first thing we're looking at. Can we sell it on Amazon for more than we're going to be buying it for? Now, I'm going to show you all the data on the Profitl Chrome extension. If you don't know what the Profitl Chrome extension is, this is how you actually analyze your FBA deals. So there is a lot more which goes into it than just we can buy it for this amount and we can sell it for more on Amazon. We have to check all sorts of data before investing in a deal, because what we don't want to do is we don't want to make a bad buy. And that's why it's so important to use a deal analyzer to analyze your FBA deals. So we've got Profitl up just on the sidebar here, so we can see it's selling 32 times a month, which isn't bad sales, not crazy sales. We'll always check the competition when looking at the sellers and how that's going to be split. So there's 4 other FBA sellers on this listing, which isn't too bad. 48% return on investment, giving us a £2.92 profit per unit, and it's selling 32 times a month. That means this listing makes about £90 a month on Amazon. Now, of course, that's the whole listing. That doesn't mean we're going to make £90 profit, because we're not going to get that much stock. We've got competition, but £90 profit for this. This one's actually quite a small profit item. We've got much bigger deals coming up. So let's move on to deal number 2 now. And this one's from a website called Easy Para. So you may not have heard of this website. You may have heard of this website, but here's the product. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it, but we can buy it for £2.35. It's selling on Amazon for £9.08. So a massive difference in price, which is always good. That means we're going to have a really good profit figure on this. So we can see this one's making £3.35 profit per unit. That's 140% return on investment. Usually we only try and get 30% as a minimum. So 140%, that is quite crazy. Now this was a slower seller. It's only selling 13 times a month, but because we've got such high profit, we know we could drop this price a little bit and the chances are the sales would go up. 3 FBA sellers on this listing also. So with these sales of 13 a month, and this profit, that gives this listing a total monthly profit of around £43. Now, before we got into our third deal, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive discount code for our YouTube viewers if you were interested in joining Profitl. So we don't just have a deal analyzer, we also have a arbitrage deal finding software, we have a wholesale scanner, the most amazing Discord community, all these different things to help you become successful on Amazon. So if you were interested in joining, we've got 2 discount codes which will pop up just here. They're going to save you either 20% on monthly plans or 5% on yearly plans, and yearly plans already have over 50% off, so that is a 55% saving. You'll also find them down below in the description, so make sure to take them down if you did want to save some money on your Profitl subscription. So our third deal, and this one's from the website Natino, and if you've seen our videos before, you'll know that Natino is probably our favorite website for online arbitrage sourcing in the UK. It has such a great range of products, and they're often running discounted items, discount codes. So it's a really good place to source if you are new to Amazon FBA. But this product I'm going to be showing you is this Dove Purely Pampering Shea Butter, which we can buy for £2.40. When we sent this into Deal of the Day, it was actually a bit cheaper, but it's still a good deal. It's selling on Amazon for £7.32. So that means a 72% return on investment, £1.73 profit per unit, 23 sales a month, and there's 6 FBA sellers on this listing. So that gives this listing a profit range, if we're looking at the profit and the sales, of around £55. Now again, disclaimer, that's for the whole listing. That doesn't mean we're going to make this much, but we're hoping you're starting to see the pattern of the pure potential of Amazon FBA and the variety of places you can actually source products from and make a profit. So on to our fourth product we're showing you today, and it's from another website, and this one's Accardo, which is of course an online supermarket. It's actually really good for online arbitrage, which you might be surprised about, but we find loads of products on this website. And this product I'm going to be showing you is this Arm & Hammer whitening toothpaste. Now this one's slightly different because it's what we call a multi-pack. So we can buy one of these for £2.30 on Accardo, but a 2-pack is selling on Amazon for £13.16. So what do? Well, we buy these in sets of 2, we package them into a single unit, and then we can sell them as a pack of 2. So that means our unit cost is going to be £4.66, but we can sell it for £13.16. And these work great on Amazon because people like buying multi-packs, bundle deals. They're very, very popular and you can earn great profit. So let me run you through the data on the Profitl Chrome extension. It's selling 56 times a month, so not bad sales. 12 FBA sellers, which is a little on the high side. 95% return on investment, £4.42 profit per unit. So that gives us a total listing profit of around £247. Now I'm running you through the main data we look at when analysing an FBA deal, but generally we go into a lot more detail when analysing deals. So just bear that in mind. We check out stock data, we check out the price graphs, the average prices. This video today is purely to show you the types of deals you can actually source on your Amazon FBA. So just bear that in mind. When we do actually buy deals, we do look at them in a lot more detail, and you'll need to as well. So now on to our fifth and final deal, and definitely the one which is making the most profit on Amazon. And this one's from Home Bargains, and it's this Diesel Only the Brave tattoo aftershave, 50 milliliters. We can buy this for £28.49. It's usually £50. On Amazon, it's still selling for £49. On this one, £9.90 profit per unit, 35% return on investment, and it's a really good seller, 217 units a month. So that means this listing is making over £2,000 profit every month on Amazon. So that is 5 products which you could actually be selling on Amazon. These are all live FBA deals. Feel free to check them out for yourself. As I mentioned before, although you could sell these, probably best not to, just because of the amount of people who do actually see these. And of course, you are going to be gated in a lot of these as well, and you do need to check all deals in a lot more detail. But we really hope that video has given you some inspiration on the types of deals you can source for your Amazon FBA, and also the websites to use. We've shown you 5 different websites there, which are all great for Amazon FBA. So we really hope you found that video helpful. If you did take any value from it, please do hit that subscribe button. It really does help our channel. But that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.